Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today, got me a Glossybox unboxing for you. I know some of you like them. Yeah, let's get right into it. I think I was quite happy with last month's box. I had things in there that wasn't on the list, but I enjoyed it. Standard box, medium weight. Oh, before I jump right in, I want to say a big hello to the lady that met John on Thursday. He forgot to ask you your name, but yes, he said a lovely lady came up and introduced herself and said that she watches these videos, and that's the first time that's ever happened. Yeah, ever in real life. And I wasn't there, it was just John. I've only actually met 2 people in real life off of this YouTube thing, and both were creators. One lady, yeah, so and then I met their partners and things, but that doesn't really count. But yes, so that was exciting. So hello, thanks for watching. Right, Glossybox unboxing. Let's go. Say medium weight, standard packaging. Ooh, how pretty is that lady? I keep on thinking about going back to brunette. Oh, I don't know. I don't think I should. It takes such a lot of work to get to a blonde that you're happy with. And I think my thing is, I think I should just put some like pink in it for the summer to get me over the fact that I don't really want brown hair. I just want to change on my current hair. But I keep on seeing all these beautiful women with dark hair. Like, I've been watching a lot of, I never know how to pronounce it properly, Tati. I always want to say Tati, which isn't right. I think it's Tati. She's like a giant YouTuber that I used to watch years ago and then kind of stopped, and I've started watching her again since she did that video with Jeffree Star, and she's just got like the dark hair, and I'm like, oh, maybe I should go back dark. I don't know. But anyway, easily distracted by beautiful dark haired women. Let's go. Oh, the packaging kind of goes on my top. This top, by the way, is like, I can't show you, it's got like this lovely like textured rose flower type thing. This is by the brand, I can't remember. Where are you from? Quiz. I got it for £1 in a charity shop. Freaking love it. Anyway. Let's do this because I'm getting rambly today. Ooh. 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 I'm instantly going here. Look at that pretty nail polish. So this is by Nailberry. I've had one of their nail polishes before. Just look at that colour. Look at it. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is in the shade Love Me Tender. Let's see what it says in the book. Oh. Okay. Sorry guys. So yes, Nailberry, full size. These are £14.50. I have had one of their nail polishes before. They go on beautiful, or the one I've had, just a lovely, lovely nail polish. So yeah, very happy. Favourite item already. Next thing, oh, what's that? Rubber firming. Look how scary that looks. For a more adult audience, I would say it looks like something a chap might buy from Love Honey or somewhere like that. Anyway, that's how oh, demonetized, inappropriate, wonderful. Good job I don't do this for the money. So this is a Shake and Shot rubber firming mask. I have no idea what that is. So when it comes to high performing skincare innovation, Dr. Jart Plus is king. They've created the latest trend in masking, a shaking rubber face mask, shake and shot. So these are like £8. I have no idea what it does. Okay, so there's like multiple things in it and you mix it, shake it and then put it on like a paste, leave it for 20 minutes and then peel it off. How random. But look at the packaging. That's very interesting. Very interesting. The next thing I've got is a I want to say Vaseline, Natural Line. It looks like that. It looks like Vaseline. Neutraline Natural 0% Petroleum Lip Treatment 2019 is all about sustainable beauty. It's $2.99. So is it like petroleum jelly or such forth? The Vaseline rebranded and I've just not noticed. Do you know what I mean? It's very much looks like. Okay. The next item. I have a Flawless Chisel Cheek Contour Cream Kit by Barry M. Nice. That look. Oh, there's a big mirror. And it's cream contour. That's pretty cool. I must admit, I'm not the biggest fan of a cream contour. But probably because I don't really know what I'm doing. I always find it easier with powder, but I'm always willing to try. I'm trying to angle this so I don't dazzle you with the mirror. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This is full size. We all know Barry M is an awesome brand. $7.99, which is a bargain for 6. You know, you got 6 shades there. And they're quite big pan sizes. So yes. Fun. And then the last item I've got is Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing. That looks like that. So this is full size. So actually everything we've had this month is full size. That's pretty cool. This serum is at the forefront of an up-and-coming beauty trend. The first skincare product in the world, specific that word, designed to be used after a face mask. It nourishes your complexion with the vitamins your skins will be craving after an intense clay, charcoal, sheet or peel mask treatment. Simply apply a thin layer. This is £43. Now, I'm not cheap and I'm not tight. £43 for, does it tell me the millage? For 30ml. I suppose I'd spend that on perfume. But yeah. Interesting. So, yeah. So we have a crazy looking face mask, a serum to put on your face after the face mask, a contour kit, some Vaseline type thing, and the most exciting thing to me is the nail polish. Oh, right, I need to go and redo my nails because this colour is beautiful. Very happy with this month's box. Not gonna lie, this is my favourite thing because I just love that colour. And yeah, actually looking forward to using everything, including this. It scares me with the baby face, but it looks fun. So that's this month's Glossybox. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.